Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 VW Polo SE. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 60 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of just 7, so ideal for new drivers. And the car has a very low mileage of just over 29,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. Road tax is also just £20 a year. This particular colour is the metallic deep black, and as you can see is a good glossy condition for the age and mileage of the car. As for everything inside, you see you've got a nice clean interior. These seats are hard wearing and in great condition. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has air conditioning, as well as on the driver's door card, your electric mirror and full window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a good sized rear seat there, lots of legroom and headroom for a small hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own cup holder there in the centre, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. Open the tailgate, you've got the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and then also the adjustable floor. So this is at the lowest point at the moment, but you can raise the floor to increase some storage space below. And underneath the bottom boot floor, you've also got your full-size spare wheels. That's great to see. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights and also the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can also help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.